For my birthday the other day, March 22nd, one of my Seattle friends, Carla Blaschka, sent me this book called Thriving While Trans, a Love Manual. Here's a poem in it, and I believe it was by one of these two people. Sleep. Close your eyes. I really want to see you. Make it out alive, at least this time. Eyes on the prize. It's all overwhelming just to try and stay alive. So far tonight. I know the world is rough. People don't know what to do. Kill us and call us names. Bruise bodies, me and you. For now, let's just forget them. For once, let's get some sleep. Under the covers of tonight, maybe we'll find relief. Sleep. Let's find another one here. This one by Ebo Barton, Stranded, or Love Letter to the Trans Boy in the Gym Locker Room. It's not safe for us to announce why our fuzzy chins look familiar here. How I feel proud when I see your golden skin embracing the scars peeking out of the buttons of your shirt. And I hate that in the one place you should show them off, you strategically find ways to disguise them. How your eyes smiled at me when you saw the whole galaxy band-aiding my belly, your finger outstretched and holy, you point and say, "It is Thursday, isn't it?" You wink. And I fall in love with us, our self-made and classic image, re-imaging our reflections and our futures, our awkward laughs, a laugh we refuse to abandon, but mostly keep under our tongues. And still I have no idea what your name is, but I have this feeling that we are each other's life raft, and maybe this fire that's glowing in our eyes connected will keep us warm for tonight. But it also might be what ignites the flare to get us home. This world was not designed for us, and we've always known this. But just for 1 minute, I just want to look into your eyes and stay lost in how good it is to be stranded together. And that was Stranded, or Love Letter to the Trans Boy in the Gym Locker Room by Ebo Barton, in this book called Thriving While Trans, a Love Manual. I'm William James Lindberg, and this is Darkside Poetry.